property, you should have an Aadhaar card. Initially, earlier it is a ration card. Now, if you want to own a property collectively, now our common areas, your collective ownership. Under people apartment, collective ownership. Apartment hanging on a individual ownership. Sale deal ensures you are owning a property that is living space on air. AOA. Karnataka apartment on air. Okay? If you want to own a property, the common area from your door to gate, including building, clubhouse, land, if you want to own, you pay for it. If you since you paid for it, your name should reflect. Your name should not reflect alone. Along with your under co-owners should get reflect. If you want to have it, have this something called conveyance deed. This is what is known as conveyance deed. Only sale deed doesn't give you ownership right. Sale deed gives you, without a conveyance deed, right to use the common area, not the own the common area. So you should have a conveyance deed. If you want to have a conveyance deed, you should have a registered body. Like you have a Aadhaar card, your association should be a registered consumer body under KCSA 1959 Act, which is the cooperative society. Is it something new? 65 years, 8.5 lakh cooperative societies created across India for collective ownership